All right, so this is what comes in the box when you order a set of Honda Access pedals for your 2003 to 2011 Honda Element. Come with the automatic style brake pad cover, and that is this piece right here. It is two-piece rubber and the steel there. Rivets for that, those are 3mm rivets for this piece, and then the accelerator pedal cover and 4 rivets for that. And we'll go into the installation in this video. All right, so we're here on our parts element. Obviously, parts element. A little wreck there, why not? We're gonna show you how to install these pedals real quick. So as you approach the bottom here, you're gonna have to take, I'm gonna get some tools out here for you. Here's the tools we're gonna use. I've got a trim tool, I've got a straight awl here, scratch awl, or just, I'm gonna use a tool to line things up. And I've got a small flathead screwdriver or a magnetic one. Gonna need a drill. Gonna need a drill with a 9/64 bit, and then I'm going to need a rivet gun. All right, a rivet gun. There we go. So that's all the tools we're gonna need for this. First, we're gonna take this trim tool here, and you are going to work the old pedal off. Now, a lot of times you can just kind of take your fingers. If it's warm outside, it's easier to get these off. I've already got this one off. It's easier to get these off when it's warm. So if you're in the wintertime, crank the car up, get the heat going inside, get this warmed up. It'll come off way easier. And the new one will go on much easier. So let's start wiggling this thing off. So we're gonna reach up in here and I'm just gonna pull on that. If you had a trim tool like this, you could kind of get it under here and pry and just kind of work around an edge and then work down an edge and work. Once you've got 2 edges loose, it just comes off. So let's take that off. This is your old brake pedal cover, all the same, 03 to 11. All right, take that off and discard. And we're gonna notice something right here. Your brake pedal should already have these 4 holes in there, all right? So unlike the manual trans, you do not have to drill holes in this, and that's what I've been searching for so long, to find a Honda Access pedal cover that is made for an Element. And the one that we have is made for an Element. So without further ado, let's get after it. All right, so once you've pulled your new pedal cover out of the plastic packet, which we've got sitting right there, and make sure you don't lose those rivets right there. You gotta have those. Once you pull it out of the package, we're gonna separate it, all right? So we'll lay it right there, and we're gonna separate this one, which can be sort of an imposition. I'm probably gonna actually have to get my camera stand to do this. All right, so you see it separated out, just the rubber piece. Now we're going to work that rubber piece on, and just like we pulled it off, we're going to kind of start it in a corner. And again, it's cold right now for me, so this is going to be difficult. I may actually have to get 2 hands to do this. And I'm going to work it on. All right, I've got the top corner, just kind of working it. Metal is cold, so I got to work quick. Just keep working. All right, I think I got that corner. Now, just like this bottom corner. So I'm gonna pull it out and kind of lip it over. And then I'm gonna kind of just walk around the whole thing and kind of pull the lip down and around. Down and around, down and around, down and around. I don't actually have that corner, so let's switch hands. There we go. I do now. And then we just kind of roll it. Just kind of roll it in there. See how I'm just taking my hand and rolling it over? Sometimes you have to pull it up and out, but you just kind of want it to be smooth all the way around the pedal, and no real buck ups. Like that's bucked up right there, and that's flush. We want it to be flush like it is on the right at the top there. You see that? I'm gonna switch hands again. Doing this one-handed is kind of fun, you know? There we go. Now we got that flush. And we've got a little bit here right at the pedal. Sometimes I have difficulty getting those, and probably not going to get that on camera. That last little bit, maybe I will. Let's try. You guys just go with me here. There we go. We got it down. So there you go. See that top edge? Flush all the way across the top edge. Not flush on the bottom edge. We got a little ripple there we got to work in. So we have to kind of pull down and wiggle under. There we go. We're almost there now. Almost there. But that's as quick as that goes on. I mean, I didn't cut it there any. We didn't add or take away anything there. That's just how fast it goes on. Then I'm going to take this piece and slip it over. Now that can be difficult. I'm going to start at the bottom because this is kind of rounded. So start at the bottom and kind of wiggle it on. This is where your flathead screwdriver is going to come in handy. And you're actually going to have to work these dots into the holes, into each hole, until every single one of those dots is through this exterior steel piece here. All right, so I had to walk across the dots 5 or 6 times. And literally when you're installing this, just be gentle with that screwdriver. The main thing you don't want to do is scratch the metal portion. But once you get all the dots through, and you can see I've got all the dots through here, then you're gonna take your rivet gun. And we're ready. We didn't have to drill any holes. We're ready to rivet this in. That's definitely a prerequisite for doing this. You definitely have to know how to use a rivet gun. I'm not going to rivet this because this is on our parts car, but I'm just showing you that those rivets line up. I know that looks like it's leaning, but it's just loose sitting in there. They're all loose sitting in there. So you'd take your rivet gun, stick the rivet in it, stick it right up there, squeeze the rivet gun, cinch them down. Brake pedal would then be done. Now let's move our attention to the accelerator pedal, which is the same as the manual pedal. All right, now we're ready for our accelerator pedal cover. All right, so what I normally do is I place it on here, and I line it up so that every corner is actually on top of the plastic. And then I'll take a white paint marker like this one, or I'll get a colored Sharpie that's in silver or gold, something that'll show up. I mark all 4 of my holes, which are these corners here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be tricky, so take your time, mark the holes, and then once you've marked the holes, we pull this off. We'll have our 4 markings right here, right here, right here, and right here. And that's when we take our drill, and you want to set these really good. So make sure you get a set to start off your drill and go slowly. And then you're just going to drill a hole through, and they'll go through these. Once you've got your holes in there, then it's the same process as the other. We take our rivets, stick them down in here, and they hold in the plastic just fine. I've had people ask me about putting screws in there or doing anything else. I've installed probably, I don't know, a bunch of sets of these. Using the rivets, that's what Honda uses for the plastic pedals, is rivets, not screws. So yeah, we drill our holes, set our rivets in, and then set the rivets. And now you've got a set Honda genuine access pedals for a 2003 to 2011 automatic transmission Element. I've ordered countless kits. This is the wrong pedal here. All to come down to this, the correct pedal assembly. And again, I went through, I don't know, it's been over a year trying to put this kit together, and went through countless brake pedal covers to try to find a Honda genuine one that goes right on an Element without drilling on this piece. This will require drilling. But yeah, went through countless like this, ordered in the wrong one. Looks great, doesn't fit an Element. Now, finally, we've got a whole kit ready for every 03 to 11 Element. Fits all of them. It's been tested on a 3, a 5, a 7, and a 10. So it does fit all the generations of Elements. Here we go.